Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Snapchat. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapchat application, and if you haven't already logged into your account, you will be asked to use your credentials to log in. After entering your email address or your phone number and your password and verifying your login, you will be taken into your home page. Now, from this page, if you wish, you can directly start posting your stories. But if you want to delete your Snapchat account, tap on your account icon at the top left corner, and then from your profile page, tap on the gear icon at the top right. Now, from the settings page, scroll all the way down until you find the support section. From this section, tap on I need help, and you will be taken into the Snapchat support page. From this page, tap on managing my account, and then underneath manage account, tap on delete or reactivate my account. Then tap on the first option which says how do I deactivate or delete my account. You can then tap on Snapchat accounts portal to end up within the Snapchat account portal. Here you will be asked to log in first. Type in your username or your email address, and you can also use your phone number by tapping on use phone number instead. After typing in your credential, tap on the next button and you will be asked to enter your password. After entering both your username and your password, you will find the delete my account button. Just go ahead and tap on delete my account, and then you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to proceed. After providing your confirmation, your account will be processed for deletion and you will be logged out immediately. Now make sure not to log back in for at least a month in order to make sure that your account is completely deleted. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on deleting your account on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.